Hey everyone, this is Jan, and this is my daily indie game dev update for Tuesday, the 2nd of June, 2026, like it says right there. And while I was at work over the weekend, I wrote down some stuff on my work laptop about trying to simplify what I'm going to do. And I had some more thoughts about that yesterday, because yesterday we managed to get the two character profiles to behave so that when you walk in, the moment you have a conversation, they pop up, and when you end the conversation, you go away. Now, what I think needs to happen with that blueprint is I might have to make it two blueprints anyway, so split, because I don't think I can have two animation states in the same blueprint. At least I don't know. So let's find out. Split the blueprint, which is the code in Unreal Engine 5, where you get to noodle everything together. So let's dash split blueprint profile into player and shopkeeper NPC. Then we need to add animation state machine to both, but not with. So this is not going to be with, just go like this, make it up high. Notwithstanding text, but not with, run, jump, but with different emotions. Then add pools to emotion, can't write this early, on or off, true or false. That is a thing to do. I think this is actually going to be after what I really want to do today, or at least make a start today, see how far we get, which is, so instead of coming up branching storylines, simple, straightforward quests. So talk to guy in cave, get item, do fetch quest. Yeah. Then get other item that will help you progress. And then what I was thinking about, because I was really like, well, if you get a sword or a weapon, there's no enemies, so that's kind of pointless because I still have to make the enemies. No enemies in game yet, so sword, weapon, pointless for now. So I thought, well, what can I do? Receive a key. FetchQuest is get item from cave across the water, northeast from here, which is you can't swim, so we have to turn off abilities for diving and swimming. Should be add, then that's what I'm going to have to do. Alright, so you need to get an item, but you can't swim. Find swimming flippers. Find the flippers enable you to swim in the cave next to the waterfall. So the player is going to have to figure that out. So, and I'm going to have to build another cave. Build cave next to waterfall, which is nearby. Okay, so we got that. Then when you can swim, with swim ability, figure out to get to island and fetch item for man in cave, right? Yeah, man in cave. Keep calling him shopkeeper, but that's just because that's the first thing I did with him. Shopkeeper, let's just stick to it. Okay, so build cave on. So should I have my first enemies inside the cave on the island? It's a nice list. Keep me busy for a bit. Add enemies to cave. The hard is the last. With old school AI. Okay, this is nice and succinct. This is a nice little list, and we can do all of this in area 1 before you figure out how to unlock area 2. So let's get to work, shall we?